dining room chairs here. And as you can see, I've revitalized this one already. It's puffy, it's full, and it's in great shape. It's almost like new. And then we have this one that's sagged out. We've been putting a pillow here because otherwise we sit on it and we just sink down and our legs hit up against this wooden board here. Super uncomfortable. So stick along for the ride and see how to fix yours the right way. So first thing we'll do is remove this cover. And that's just to hide what it looks like underneath. Now what I'm doing is just taking a small screwdriver. I'm gonna go underneath these staples and pry them up. And then I'm just gonna keep going all the right way around the chair. And I'm just gonna pull these up. Now I have the sides in the front removed. I'll just tip that back. I'm gonna take these legs off in the front so that I can get this leather. Next we'll put our Allen wrench in and we're just gonna remove these bolts and pull that leg out so that we can get this padding, this leather here off. And then we'll just go around and remove the staples. We removed all of these staples. And what we're gonna do is put those legs back in just so it'll support itself when we turn it back the other way. Now that we have the legs in, we're gonna stand the chair back up on its feet and work this leather up and on. This up. These straps just get stretched out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unstaple them down here. Grab this piece by hand and pull it down, or we could use the pliers and grab it. And we're just gonna get this down as tight as we can get it and staple it into place. And then we'll just pound those staples down. Tighten all the front, and then we gotta pick one of the sides and pull those tight as well. So now under here, we've got all of these pounded down so they're all flush and smooth. And this is a lot tighter. And just doing this in general is gonna tighten up the seat, but we have some carpet padding and we're gonna use that. Now next what we've done is we put our pad down. I got a piece cut to size, so that's right there. And then I'm gonna use this to go about 3/4 of the way back. So when this pulls tight, that's gonna make that front a lot firmer. We're also gonna take those longer pieces and we're gonna tuck those back under there. Now I've got it where I got the front pulled over, really grip it down and pull that down and around. We're gonna take these legs out so we can tuck these corner pieces back in as well. Now we've got those corners pushed up, we got our legs tightened up, we've pulled this leather down, and we're just gonna flip it over after we've checked the leather. Then we're gonna pound these down into place. Now we got it all put together. You can see it's filled out. I sat on it, it's fitting pretty nice. We're not feeling that wooden bar. We've got this pulled down. Don't pull it too tight. We wanna have a little bit of slack so that we're not busting the seams. And now we're just gonna pound all these staples down. Then we're gonna go around and put this liner back on. And remember, it serves no purpose. You don't need to put it on. Here's the one I had done, here's the one I just did. So there's no longer that sag. We won't have to use a pillow anymore, and it's a lot cheaper than spending $1,500, $1,200 on 4 brand new chairs. Hopefully this helps. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.